Zoe.
Mm-hmm.
She waving you.
Wave to Zoe. Look.
Hi. Here go.
Why don't you check Ducky's ears? Where's Ducky? Or Dolly? Here.
Ow. This is hard.
It doesn't hurt. Here, check Dolly.
Mm-mm.
Can we listen to her heart?
No. What's that?
Oh, that's for taking her blood pressure. Put it on her arm.
My check.
You want to check Zoe's blood pressure?
Yeah. Hi.
Hi, Zoe. Do you want to play the elephant game? Pick up all the butterflies. And you can watch the game on here. Here, I'll fix that one.
I want to fix this one.
Okay.
I can't do it. Oh.
You got it. Good job.
Yeah,
You did it. Do you want to pick up all the butterflies? Here, let's put all the butterflies in this net, and then we can throw them again. Okay?
I want to. Here go.
Thank you. Okay, pick them all up. Look at them all.
Uh-oh. This one.
Okay, here's more. Okay, ready?
Sec.
Shake them up.
Hi.
Who is that silly monkey?
Fiat.
Who is that?
Zoe.
Yeah, what's Zoe doing? Is she playing the butterfly game? How old is Zoe? Are you 2?
No.
Are you 3?
No.
Are you 10?
No. See, look at Zoe.
Uh-huh. What? What is Zoe doing?
Yeah.
Where's... You're silly. Where's Dolly? Can you make a silly face? That's a silly face. How about a sad face?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you make a happy face? Where's your nose? Do you have a tummy? No? Do you have ears? How about hair? Do you have a tail? Yeah?
Hey, you two. Noah laughing. I hear you guys laughing out here.
Come here, Grampy.
I'm almost dressed.
Grampy.
Yeah. What's Grampy doing?
Do dive.
Why don't you ride your horse?
Okay. I'm trying.
Giddy up.
I'm walking too. Ah, I'm very high.
You are.
Mommy, Daddy.
Should we have a birthday party for Daddy?
Fuzzy.
No, let's make Daddy a cake. What kind of cake should we make for Daddy? Chocolate?
No.
Strawberry?
No.
What should we get for Daddy? Should we get him a present? Maybe we could dance at Daddy's birthday party. Where are you going? Who are you looking for? Hey, Peanut. Let's go find Grampy.
No. He's a big guy.
Yes, he is. Whoa.
Whoa.
Hi, Rocky. Hi, Rock. That's a silly face.
Pew, pew, pew. I'm going to school.
Okay. Do you have your dolly in your stroller?
No? Okay.
How about the ducky? Okay, see ya. Bye.
Oh, I got this. Oh, so strong. I'm gonna have it.
We're going to put this on the computer.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay. And baseball.
Okay. Hi, Rocky.
I got the baseball.
Okay, you get the baseball.
I got this out.
Okay. There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yay! Okay, hit the ball. Not to my head.
Oh. My cup was yummy.
Boy, I sure could use some coffee.
No.
I have some coffee, please?
No.
Okay, how about some smoothie?
No.
Can I have anything?
Yeah?
What?
No.
You don't know? Water? Could I have a cup of water, please?
No.
Oh, man. All right. I guess I'll turn it off then.